What's up everyone, welcome back. Today I am installing a carbon fiber steering wheel on the G and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Shout out to Freddie out in Florida. Bought it slightly used, he was parting his car out. I think he's only had it for a year, but I got it for a steal. I got a good deal on it, but it is the VQ Vortex steering wheel. And we are going to install that today. So let's get this install started. You want to take the negative terminal off, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, next what you're going to want to do is pop these covers off on the side here. There's two of them. Goes one. Here goes two. Alright, next step is to make sure the steering wheel is centered. So when you put it back on, it's centered. And then you're going to take the T30 and take both bolts out, and then you'll be able to take out the airbag right there. Now that you have the airbag disconnected, what you're going to want to do is disconnect the steering wheel controls right here. Simply pinch and pull. And the next step is taking this 19mm bolt off. Alright, so after taking that off, this should just come right off. Straight. Move these wires over. Next I got to take these buttons and put them on the new steering wheel. So what you're going to want to do is take a flat head, kind of just pop it off. Alright, now that we got the back side off, we have to take these buttons off because the steering wheel did not come with buttons, so I'm using my stock ones. So I believe it's just 3 Phillips screwdrivers, one right there, and one right there. Those should get the buttons off and I should be able to put them in the new steering wheel. Just gotta go borrow a Phillips screwdriver real quick from Joe. This is what he's working on today. He's got 370 Nismo. What coilovers are you putting on these?
BCs.
Some BCs. This thing's nice. It's got carbon fiber fenders.
Yeah.
What does he got right now? Just the stock suspension?
No, there's some lowering springs.
Some springs.
Yeah.
If you need your coilovers or any suspension done, hit this dude up. I lied. There's another one at the bottom that you got to take off. Alright, got the steering wheel controls off the stock one. You're going to want to connect that yellow one to the ground, I believe, or whatever it is, and the connector for the steering wheel controls. Now let's put it on. Alright, got the steering wheel controls on. Now we got to pop on the back cover. This pops right on, or should at least. Got that on. Looks nice.
Voila.
Voila, got the cover on now. I'm gonna put the airbag cords into the steering wheel, tuck them back into place as so. Put it on the steering wheel hub. There we go, got it on. Tuck it back into place. Put the 19mm bolts back on. You want to torque this down to about, they say 25-30. Just hand tighten it right now. Plug this back in. This is for the steering wheel controls.
Gabby, how you like that?
Oh yeah, stick it in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. Alright guys, that is the install on the steering wheel for the G37. Looks super nice. Easy as 1, 2, 3.